Ahead of the Christmas celebration, popular controversial Nigerian rapper Darlington, known as Speed Darlington, has been granted bail after nearly a month in police custody. Recall that the rapper was arrested on November 27, 2024, while performing at a show in Owerri, Imo State, by the Nigerian police in Imo State. Darlington's counsel, NaijaNews, also confirmed that Damini Ogulu, popularly known as Burna Boy, was responsible for his arrest. Darlington had taunted Burna Boy over his affiliation with the embattled United States rapper Sean Diddy Combs, who is facing multiple charges for sexual exploitation and human trafficking. On his arrival, Speed Darlington swore never to back down on calling the Grammy Award winner because of his association with the embattled Diddy. Renowned lawyer Stan Anyeke announced Speed Darlington bail release via his Instagram story. Although he did not provide details about Speed Darlington's bail release, his post sparked widespread excitement amongst fans, who have been eagerly awaiting the rapper's freedom and return to music. Our FREP application for Speed Darlington has been granted by the court. Is to be arraigned within 48 hours or released. Issues around injustice may take time, but justice will always prevail, he wrote. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more fresh updates and exclusive videos.